Hello students, we are actually trying to discuss the intercept form from the chapter straight lines. So let us consider a line L which intersects the x-axis at point A, 0 and the y-axis at 0, B. So the x-intercept is A, whereas the y-intercept is B. So these are the 2 points A, 0 and 0, B. So let this be x1, y1 and let this be x2, y2. So now to find the expression, I have y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So you have this expression here. So now substitute the values of x1, y1, x2 and y2. So you have y minus 0 equals y2 minus y1, which is b minus 0 divided by 0 minus a into x minus x1 is a. So you have y into minus a. So minus a comes to the side equals b into x minus a. So minus a into y equals b into x minus a into b. Take this term to the RHS and this term to the LHS. So a into b equals b into x plus a into y. Or I can write this as b into x plus a into y equals ab. So divide this entire expression by ab. So I divide it by ab. So when I do that, b gets cancelled here, a gets cancelled and ab gets cancelled. So we have x by a plus y by b equals 1. So this is the intercept form. To view all the other videos for class 11 mathematics and physics, click on the I button and do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads. And thanks for watching.